And this is called butter. This is what people rub on each other on Valentine's Day. Oh, hey guys. Give me 1 second. Roll the intro.
You crazy mother.
What's up, guys? I'm not doing that, that's stupid. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Curt's Kitchen. Today, we're gonna be making the ever so traditional French breakfast, snack, and hangover cure. We're making crepes. Here's what you're gonna need. Start off with just under 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of milk, 3 eggs, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of butter, half a tablespoon of vanilla extract, and then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Get yourself a bowl and a whisk, and let's mix it up. So we got our mixing bowl here. Let's start off with the eggs. I'm gonna try and be cool and do this with one hand. Let's see if I don't f this up. Oh boy, hey! All right, 2 more. In there, oh yeah, we're getting this done. 3rd time's the charm. Come on, 3 out of 3, woo! Excellent. All right, let's just kind of beat these and mix these around real quick. All right, I went ahead and melted our butter. Got 10 seconds, did it in the microwave. It should look something like this. Throw that in. And we'll do the salt, sugar, vanilla extract. Just whisk that together real quick. Get a nice little mixture going. Ooh, that smells good. That vanilla extract really does something. All right, then you're gonna add in your flour just little bits at a time. I'll do about half, actually. If you're using a mixer, do it at about like a medium speed, but if you're just using hand tools, just do whatever. All right, more flour. Let's put the rest of it in. All right, a little, whoop. All right, it's a little dusty. So let's just add our milk in. Let's do the whole thing. Insert careless whisper. Before it's all mixed together, it should look like this big milky conglomerate right here. So let's get this all nice and combined until you have almost like a pancake batter kind of texture. This recipe should yield 8 crepes, so if you're like a family of 4, everybody gets 2. You and your roommates want to share some, you can. If you're trying to impress the French girl that lives down the hallway at your apartment complex, who you see pretty much every day when you're walking to your car, but you really haven't gotten the guts to say anything yet because you don't know if it's, she's got a boyfriend or not. If you're second guessing yourself, and maybe you want to make some of these and impress her, be like, hey, so I noticed that you're French, and maybe I made some crepes, and if you want to do that, hypothetically speaking, you can. It's a great recipe. All right, we've been beating this for about 5 minutes now, at about a medium to high speed, just like this. Make sure to kind of look through the batter if you can to see if there's any flour clumps or unmixed egg. You really don't want that in your batter. But this is pretty much exactly what you should be looking for here. Nice and watery, nice and runny. Run your whisk through it. Pretty much no batter should be sticking to the whisk when you pull it out. Now, it's ready for the stovetop. All right, we got our batter nice and ready to go. Now we just need a medium to large frying pan. Then you're gonna wanna put the stovetop onto a medium heat. Then you're just gonna lightly grease the pan. Wait for this to get nice and hot. Then you're gonna take a measuring cup. Each crepe should be about half a cup of batter. Just pour it gently onto the hot pan and cook it for about 1.5 minutes on each side. Check these out. Nice and thin. You can almost see my hand through it. Perfect. perfect. All right, I'm really happy how those turned out, but they're a little plain. So I think what I'm gonna do to complement the crepes, we're gonna make a chocolate ganache. Sorry. Chocolate ganache. I think that's the only way to say it. Chocolate ganache. Donnie, you're fucking up the chocolate ganache. I ganache with your mother one time and then you come out and this is what I gotta deal with, eh? But yeah, we're gonna make some chocolate ganache. This ganache recipe only requires 2 ingredients. You just need 2 4-ounce chocolate bars. In today's case, I'm using the Ghirardelli semi-sweet chocolate right here. And then you need just 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. Finally chop your chocolate into just little thin shreds just like this. Because we're gonna be melting our chocolate, cutting it into thin strips like this makes it a lot easier to melt. Then we're gonna go to the stovetop and heat up our heavy whipping cream to a light simmer. So we've got our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream on the stovetop now. When you're melting the chocolate, it needs to be a nice kind of low and slow process. Take your time with it. So we're gonna get our heavy whipping cream up to a nice light simmer. Then we're gonna take all of our chocolate, put it in the heavy whipping cream, take our pan off the heat, and then just let that chocolate melt. That's so pretty. I really thought I was gonna f that up. Let's get started. Let's put these together. This here, get you guys a close up. Wow. Nice and messy. Then we fold it up in the traditional triangle shape. Once over in half, and then in half again. Bon appetit. Wow. Breakfast of freaking champions right there. Oh my god. And of course this party episode, who decides to show up? Aww. With this one. But unfortunately, she can't have any of the chocolate, but we're gonna get you a little piece of crepe here. A little bit of crispy edge. Say please. Wow. I feel like all these episodes end the exact same way. Me just going, wow, wow, wow. And I'm trying it. But I mean, cook it for yourself. This shit's good. I'm gonna take one more bite and then I'll say goodbye to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like this video. Comment down below what you think I should make next. Subscribe for new videos every single Saturday. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks guys.